hapon mga higala. Karon kay naglakaw ta kay init. Kay grabe na kay tagkaon karong quarantine. So maglakaw ta kay init kay para dali ra magsingot. We're trying our best nga dili ta mahapla. Mo ba nang sakto nga word? Is that the right word for falling on my face? Shit. I'm pretty sure everybody thinks I'm fucking crazy in this neighborhood. Also, there's like people who are about to bike. But yeah, today we're going to Modesto. And we are just packing and stuff. But I decided to go on a quick walk before maligo. So, para humot ta. Pero mapasingot sa ta. Let's sweat it out a little bit. You know, get the exercise in. Bisan gamay ra. Mom, what are we doing today?
Oh my god, today, what did we do? We drove to Modesto to see Auntie Sandy, and now, you and I, because we're a team, we're gonna kick some.
Period. Mom and I always whoop this game. That's why we are never on the same team. Barely. But today,
We are hard to beat.
today we're across from each other for the first time in a long time, coincidentally. Therefore, we're going to be on the same team. Yeah, we're going to be here till Sunday, and it should be a fun weekend. Probably going to be eating a lot. Look at how much shit we have all over the kitchen. But yeah, it should be fun. Dylan, is this where you finna sleep tonight? Luke blew up my California king bed in here. So finna have a party in the guest room, party at 1. Auntie Sandy has really nice plants in here that I'm digging the vibe of. Y'all know me. Y'all know how much I dig these plants. Y'all know what's up. What the fuck is going on here? I'm so confused, you guys. Good morning, rise and shine. It is day 2 here. I mean, not day 2. Well, it's our first day in Modesto. We got in yesterday. But, you know, we woke up in a good mood. Finished my prayers with my grandma at 12. Kamaon na ang ulirang apo. Just kidding. All my cousins are ulirang apos, thank God. But, yeah, we're just here chilling. And gotta go see what the rest of the day comes. Chef D.
Need some gnocchi. I'm gonna put some sauce.
Y'all, he makes fire ass gnocchi. Gnocchi? He be making his own pasta.
Oh my god, it smells so good already. What am I smelling? Garlic.
Yes. So, karon kay nigawasta kay arang kanang ganahan ko mo kanang explore bitaw kay hindi man ta mapuyo in town pero arang kainita jud right when nigawas ko arang kainita jud dire. So morning paligid sa Modesto at Sandy's house. Di lang ta, don't show the damn license plate, bitch. But here we are holding surrounding nagan kayong mga wa magmask. Arang panahon sa COVID, di mo mask. Unsaon na lang mga utok sa mga tao. Ni mom in the Instapot, mom? Crockpot?
What's that?
Instapot?
It's,
Food.
Ninja.
So mom, gibutang ni mama sa Food Ninja unang among ribs para i-pressure cook. I'm telling them that I'm putting you put your ribs in the Instapot to pressure cook it, right? And then karon gibutang na sa grill.
Yeah.
Para na ay lami nga.
So
Ano sa tawagan na?
Tiny bit of barbecue brushed on.
Yeah, na barbecue sauce. Mom was gonna do the English translation of my Bisaya, but yeah, she's putting barbecue sauce, put some paprika on there. We were going through paprika like crazy. But yeah, so I wanted to discuss the area mom and I are in. So the weather is really nice yeah, this area was so interesting. Nakakita ko kanang kuya kaayo nga wa ko kita before. I think it was like a small car, right, Mom? That had a flag.
It was a golf cart.
It was a golf cart.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mama and I, Luke and Auntie Sandy, nakakita may golf cart nga unsay flag.
They were letting their freak flag fly.
Their freak flag. We're gonna call it their freak flag. Kay naintay Trump flag ang ilang golf cart. Saan na lang. Very interesting, knowing, given the fact that Mother and I here are not fans of said person they are representing. And I think pangitaan na mong balay and magpicture ko. And you guys will see the craziness.
I mean, these might be the best ones yet, I'm thinking. You know, there's something about finishing them off in the grill. The air fryer's great for some things, but on the ribs, you've got to get that fire underneath it.
So is this how we're gonna start eating ribs from now on?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait.
That barbecue sauce.
I know. Oh my gosh. Did you guys make the garlic aioli too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. So Mom made this thing before, kanang garlic aioli. So I think it's mayonnaise, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Mayonnaise, onia, ajos, and then lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Lemon.
Good girl.
I don't know how to say lemon in Cebuano, so forgive. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nagluto ng salad.
There's friends of mine.
Mom didn't want a lot of lemonade, she said.
She said half and half.
Over here. We'll put Anthony in the middle. You guys can visit with
Twice. And that cut the roast. One. Two?
No.
Two?
No.
Yes, let's go. Let's try.
Hey, I said.
Good morning mga higala. So karon last day in Modesto, muato si Mama og show karon, anya kami ni Lucas kay mi waton. So karon si Dodong iyang waton ng akong nails. Karang dugaya na in town nga busted magusted. I'm not sure how to say that in Cebuano, but yes, I will be getting my nails done, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. You're gonna get copyrighted for this song, but we just got back from our Target run.
I'm thinking you get copyright if you're talking
Really?
in it. Yeah, because then someone can't like.
Remain the same. I can't do. Everybody, you like my nails? He did them. So if y'all don't like them, blame him. Clearly, it looks like I've been wearing the same tank top for like 4 days, but I swear I switched it up. This is my outfit for this morning. There's Luke. We're on our way to Safeway, or what is this called? Save Mart. Interesting. And Modesto. Should be interesting to see what I run into in this place. God, it is. Huh?
Barbecuing.
He's barbecuing. The queen has arrived outside. I need to make TikToks while he.
So what?
That.
Oh,
The
this?
room.
Oh.
Just finish it. Here, anyways, so I have my 1,200 milligrams of vitamin C because you motherfuckers better start drinking that shit. Come on, fuck, inom with vitamin C. Illegal activities going on in the background. Na ay nagsupsup. Yup. I don't even know how to say it in full now. Is my face even in the frame? Seriously? Like this?
No, like you're only getting this much of your face.
How about now? Doing, girl?
Make some shrimp.
And say mong
Yes,
gisagol, mom. What did you
lime.
put? What is that? Paprika?
No, this is actually tequila lime rub.
In the what? The dishwasher? Okay.
Oh.
She said tequila lime.
Tequila lime.
She got some olive oil here, or she got some lime.
Yeah.
Luke has the Brussels sprouts going, and the potatoes. Ah, shoot. Balik na food. Bye bye. This is what we gotta do. If you never had to do this as a kid,
You haven't lived.
you haven't lived. Your mama ain't raised you right.
You didn't eat good food.
You didn't eat good food, period. If you never had to fan your fire alarms, you never ate good. Trust me. That's always how it happens. Good looking piece of meat. That's a real good looking piece of meat right there, brother. This looks so good. Damn, there's 2 good looking slices of meat.
You mean chunks?
Yes, sir.
Some corn.
Yes, sir. We're gonna have some corn in this bit. Oh my God. We said corn, salad. Mom's cooking some good smelling stuff over there. Luke's salad, ang salad ni Dong. We have the pasayan and potatoes. We're gonna go eat now. Bye. Can't have a ball. He's making cookies. What'd you say? Say it to my face.
I said, yeah, she touched me.
You're so rude. But anyways, these are the best cookies I will ever eat in my entire life. These ones are just as good, but they have nuts in them, and we don't really fuck with the nuts, you know? Mom. But our mom likes the nuts, so that's why Luke makes it with them.
Are those the ones without nuts?
Yeah.
Those are the ones with nuts. I'm making ones without nuts.
Salamat sa pagtanaw. Make sure you like, comment, share, o hilabti na ang subscribe button down below. Kita kits!